In this example, I need to divide the polynomial 25x to the 7th minus 15x to the 4th plus 30x squared by the monomial 5x squared. And when you're doing problems like this, I think it's always better to take time to actually write out the denominator dividing into each term in the numerator. So I'm going to write 25x to the 7th over 5x squared minus 15x to the 4th, that's the second term in the numerator, again divided by 5x squared, plus last term in the numerator, 30x squared divided by 5x squared. I know it takes a long time, but I think you make a lot less mistakes if you write this step out. So now all we have to do is simplify each of these terms. So the first thing we need to do is simplify the coefficients. So 5 goes into 25 5 times. So my first term is going to give me 5 over 1. And now look at my x's. I have x to the 7th divided by x squared. So this is going to be using the quotient rule that says a to the m divided by a to the m is a to the m minus n. Notice this is in the numerator, and I have the exponent in the numerator comes first, and then I subtract the exponent in the denominator. So I'm going to have x to the 7 minus 2. Sorry for the bad handwriting. So notice the numerator exponent is 7, and I'm going to subtract the denominator exponent of 2. Now all we have to do is repeat the process. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So I'm going to get minus 3x to the subtract exponents. Start with the one in the numerator. 4 minus 2, and the answer goes in the numerator, and I just have to divide it by 1. Plus my last term, 5 reduces into 36 times, and in this case, I have x squared in the numerator and x squared in the denominator, so those both reduce out. So I get left with 6 times 1 is 6, all divided by 1 times 1 is 1. So now all I have to do is tidy it up. Do I need any of these 1s in the denominator? No. So I just get 5x, 7 minus 2 is 5, so it's 5x to the 5th, minus 3x raised to the 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's minus 3x squared plus 6. So my answer is 5x to the 5th minus 3x squared plus 6.